Welcome to Module 3 of our course this semester. This week, you will be reading some historically significant educational thinkers, beginning with Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher who has formed a lot of current um, thinkers in how we implement that in education through Socratic seminars in our classrooms and the kind of questioning that he embraces and that people have embraced for years. The second theorist is Paulo Freire, who is a South American thinker trying to write about the oppression that was faced through dominant culture and education. So it's a dense read, but lots of good ideas and very pertinent for today as well. You'll have just this week to read and take your own notes. Next week, you'll be posting 3 important features that you gained from each of the theorists and thinking about applications in today's classrooms or coaching fields, along with the readings you'll do next week. So you don't have to post anything this week, you'll just be reading and considering what you'd like to submit next week. An assignment that does involve everyone posting this week is the TED Talks. And only Group 1, who've signed up for that Group 1 spot, will be initiating the videos with their 3 to 5 minute TED Talk about a current educational issue. Remember, don't read an article to us or just read through your PowerPoint. You're really talking to us about what you think about something that you're passionate about in education or coaching today. You'll be launching your thoughts, and then classmates will respond to those. So people in Group 1 of the TED Talks need to post by midnight on Wednesday. So it allows your classmates between Thursday and Sunday to look over your videos. The classmates, all the rest of the class will be choosing 2 people to respond to out of those who've submitted their TED Talks, and you'll be adding to the discussion post between Thursday and Sunday. The people originating from Group 1 of TED Talks will have a chance to keep reading through any discussion points that are made between Thursday and Sunday and respond back to questions from your classmates or other thoughts and points of view that they're sharing. Finally, remember to keep reading chapters in the book that you've selected for your book team project. You'll be taking notes about what you think is really critical and important to share with your other classmates that can give them insights since they're not reading the same book you chose. And in a few weeks, you'll have a book team discussion online with your other members of the class reading the same book. So you'll need to be finished the book in a few weeks. So keep reading this week and keep taking notes. Thanks, and I can't wait to keep seeing the beginning of our TED Talks and give you a chance to interact with one another. Thank you.